Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to program your Toyota Tundra key fob. First, gather all key fobs you want to program, including any existing ones. Make sure your vehicle's battery is fully charged to avoid interruptions. Begin with all doors and windows closed, and ensure no other electronic devices are interfering. This preparation is crucial for a smooth and successful programming sequence. Let's get started with the first steps. Now, let's get your Tundra into programming mode. Insert your key into the ignition and quickly remove it 2 times within 5 seconds. Next, close and open the driver's door 2 times. After that, insert the key into the ignition 1 more time and then remove it. This sequence signals the vehicle's computer that you intend to program a new key fob. Listen for the door locks to cycle, confirming you're in the correct mode. With the vehicle in programming mode, it's time to program your fob. Close and open the driver's door 2 times. Then, insert the key into the ignition and remove it. Now, on your key fob, simultaneously press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons for about 1 second. Release them, then press and hold the lock button for 2 seconds. The door locks should cycle, indicating successful programming. Repeat for any additional fobs. To finalize the programming process, simply close the driver's door. This action will exit the programming mode. Now, it's essential to test all your key fobs to ensure they function correctly. Check both the lock and unlock buttons on each fob. If any fob isn't working, you might need to repeat the programming steps. Also, for a fresh car scent, check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals. Enjoy your newly programmed key fobs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.